All right, guys, welcome back to Holland Travel Channel, where we educate you and give you a reliable information that is capable of helping you to succeed when you travel to abroad and before you travel to abroad. Okay. For my new subscribers, welcome in this space. This is Holland Travel Updates. All right. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you for always being there. Now, we have few questions that we would like to treat. All right, which says that I know for us on student visa who finish one master's program and move to another master's because they couldn't get an employer that can file work visa for them. With the new order on H1B fee, people go master tire. This is referring to you as a student, people who are going to US to study. All right, it's not easy anymore. Don't forget, currently US has been revoking a lot of visas. They don't care if you're a businessman, you're a student, or you are traveling on visiting visa or whichever way. They have been revoking a lot of visas. All right, even migrants who have citizenship, people who are going to apply for citizenship, they are withdrawing their green card and deporting them back. They do no longer want migrants or foreigners in their country, especially country with poor records like Nigeria. Do you understand? Now, this tells you that going to US as a student, it is no longer easy or what it used to be. All right. Now, what I want to say, please pay very close attention to this so that you can learn and know what to do on time. If you come to abroad, do not wait till when you graduate before looking for a job if you really want to succeed. Once you come to abroad as a student, you start working. Try as much as you can to start a job. Dedicate your time, yourself to that work, what you are doing. Build relationship with that employer. Do you understand? So that they can stand for you in time of trouble. Some of you do come to this space, this part of the world, and you feel so reluctant. Probably you have a little fund around you that you can use to do your things and solve your problem. Then you feel reluctant. And before you know it, boom, the year will fly like something else. Immediately you step into the country, you still have the legitimate power, the time, and the opportunity to work. Start looking for a job. Build relationship with employer so that by the time you are graduating, you are getting work contract, direct work contract, or permanent work contract that can help you to change that your student permit to work permit. When you build close relationship with employers, automatically when you need help, when you are in need, they will definitely come to your rescue. Do not wait till you graduate to start looking for a job. No matter how late that job is, take it serious. Be on time. Let them notice you in what you are good in. Give it your best. But some people do work for the purpose of they need money, for the sake of that they need money. That's the reason why they work. They don't dedicate their time. They don't put their effort. They don't put their best. Some even don't work at all. And at the end of it, you find it difficult that some employers don't want people who are lazy, who are not serious. Some employers will tell you they don't even need students, probably because they know that students are not serious. Some of them, not all, are not serious. So when you come to abroad, if you want to stand a high chance to get a job and be able to change your student permit to work permit when you come to abroad or when you graduate, then you have to dedicate your time, your effort, and your best. Start on time. Don't wait till you graduate. If you wait till you graduate, it will be too late for you. And that is the reason why a lot of students has been missing out there. Now, with the H1B fee, a lot of people, said a lot of people will master tire. Do you understand? So check out schools that will give you the opportunity to get a job when you travel to abroad. That's the reason why it's also important before you travel, make research. Don't leave your admission, your visiting visa application only into the hands of agent. Do your own due diligent research to know what you are going into. Agent can get you admission. At the long run, he has justified the money you have given to him to get you admission. He will tell you that he have gotten you admission, he paid your school fees, you have traveled. So the load have been relieved on him. So even if you are giving agent, for those of you who are die-hard agent fan, then do your own due diligent research to know what you are going into, because agent might not know what is your own obligation and the school obligation, what you are going to gain and what you're not going to gain. Their own is to justify. Some of them who have good hearts to justify the money you have given to them. Don't leave your application completely into the hands of agents. Make sure you know what he's doing. Make sure he's carrying you along. Sometimes they can make a mistake as well. I mean the good ones. And you can also correct them because you know what they are doing for you. When you travel, try to start on time to work. Try to build good relationship with your employer. And like this, when people are saying they are not succeeding, you will see yourself smiling because of what you started on time. I hope someone learned something from this. I still remember myself king of updates, and I will see you in my next video. Kodukwa no money.